Oh my god.
Oh, he's still alive.
Go get Dr. Swineham. I'll stay with him.
No. Let me go.
Don't you touch my Snow White. Huh?
What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
Okay. Where's the fucking kitchen? Kitchen. Hey, the rent next week. It's on the fridge.
Did you find it yet?
Yeah. Give me a minute, man. Fuck is the fridge? The water. Dead. Oh, okay.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
What happened?
Faith.
What? Oh. This is confusing me, man.
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
Like, what the hell is happening?
It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this. When do you think that was due?
Before all this.
And before both of them died mysteriously.
Bullet passed the chair. Yeah. The angle works if he shot himself.
Why did you shoot the bullet for? Examine it later?
Strange. Hard edge to this pool, like something was here and got moved.
Let's be thorough with the investigation.
Still a little sticky.
Let's examine everything, man.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp.
Really?
There's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him?
Next time I play, I'm gonna come to him first. The gun.
What is it?
This gun wasn't fired recently. Maybe a week ago. Or more.
But 1 week ago.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the trigger. Matches the caliber of the gun on the floor.
Right, we've managed to rake up a few clues. The hell is that?
What are they?
Medication, baby.
Prescription sleeping pills. Son of a...
I don't really get the idea of this, man. Like, what am I supposed to do with those lines there? Oh, I've done it. Wrong button, man. It's here, it's here.
It stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Hopefully they're together now.
Yeah.
About all we can
Hope so.
hope for at this point.
Wife got chopped off from the head. Husband got, I don't know, battered or shooten out.
Second-hand paperbacks, old encyclopedias. Dusty. No one's read these in a while.
Oh! What the fuck?
See here.
No!
Okay, that shocked me. Fucking hell. I like to play with my Astro headsets or any other better headsets. Whenever you got some jump scare, it really scares the shit out of you.
Hey! Stop! Leave me alone!
Oh shit! Run away, you fat bastard! Come back here! Oh fuck he went! Oh, he should be here. Oh man! Okay. Fuck. I dropped. Yeah, I think it's from Narnia, man. You remember Narnia? That's a cool story, man. I like watching that too.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here. You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why Did you run?
What?
Why did you run?
Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
No.
A man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Bullshit. You're covered in blood.
Look, I was just asking him about the girl. That's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man. You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. Like it says he's holed up at the Trip Trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask a few questions too.
Who are you exactly?
I'm D, and I'm a private investigator. There's a business card in my shirt pocket. You can see for yourself.
This is for a sandwich shop.
Really? Huh. Must have run out.
Who hired you?
I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on. You're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you
No,
to...
I'm D. He's dumb.
Ooh. Right. That came from nowhere.
You almost looked peaceful.
Ah, what a way to wake up. Snow White in your eyes.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep. Where'd they go?
Well, after the one guy hit you, and the other one finished kicking you,
That explains the ribs.
then they jumped into a car and drove off. Come on, get up. Guess we're out of options.
He mentioned the Trip Trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab.
Bye, guys.